Here we are going over Meta stock here, and this is Unusual Whales, taking a look at all the analysts, and most of them are here going to be on October 30th, 2025. Many of the price targets range from about 800 all the way up to about 900, and so an average possibly right around 850 or 875. But let's go ahead and read off of some, including one from November 10th. Freedom Capital Markets here with a $800 buy recommendation. We got TD Cohen here with 810, UBS with 915, Citigroup here with 850, Barclays with 770, RBC Capital with 810, Wells Fargo there with 802, Raymond James with 825, Cantor Fitzgerald with 830, and Canaccord Genuity with 900, Piper Sandler 840, JP Morgan 800, and then Trust Security 875. Key Blanc with 875, and then Jefferies with $910 as a price target. Take that with a grain of salt and view it as you will. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart on Webull. We'll go ahead and pull up Meta right now. Meta here currently is at 633. As you can see, most of those price targets were ranging between 800 to about 900. And if we put 900 here on the chart, as well as right around 800, from our current price to $800, that is going to be right around a generous 26% move to the upside. And if you're looking for $900, 900 there is going to be right around 41% move from our current price. Now, of the Mag 7, currently Meta is the only one that is pretty much down from 15% below the 200-day moving average. I think we got to a low of about 580, so that was pretty close to 15% there. Now right around 6% below the 200-day moving average. And with that being said, personally, I think this is a dip opportunity for Meta stock. Similar for historically, if you have bought in any Mag 7 below the 200-day moving average, right around 15 to 20% below it has historically been a really good entry point. And again, here is the same scenario here for Meta stock, right around 15% drop. Still wouldn't mind adding it if it was right around 5 to 10% drop. As long term, I do think it's going to hit the all-time high, which is at 795. In my opinion, that should get retested there. And again, from our current price here to about 795, that should be right around 25% to 26%. So really excited for this in terms of a reversal to the upside. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. Again, personally, right around the 200-day moving average, which is at 670. I don't mind adding small positions at a time, but while we're right around 5 to 10% or even 5 to 20% below the 200-day moving average, this is where I would look to add a bigger position for Meta stock in terms of shares if I was going long term and or looking for a swing trade idea. Again, long term going into Meta stock, I do think that 900 and 800, these two ranges are going to get tested going into 2026. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. And if you are in Meta stock, I highly recommend joining our Discord. It's free to join. We got over 32,000 people there. And again, if you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, this is optional. You can check out our Patreon link as well. This is going to be the second link down below in the description of the video. We have a permanent 90% off discount celebrating our 5-year anniversary, as well as a Black Friday discount. So feel free to come on in, check out the Patreon link. We'll see you on the next video for Meta stock. Personally, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal take and my opinion. I do have a position in Meta stock. I'm trying to develop more shares while we are below the 200-day moving average. Again, 200-day moving average is at 672, so while we're below that price, I am trying to load up on Meta, looking for that reversal to the all-time high.